That looks pretty nice. Look at the size of this silicone pad here. Oh, the buttons are so clicky. That's awesome. But this is exactly why you need to take this thing apart to clean it. Everything else looks beautiful. Look at that. But then there's all that caked up, like, it's from the controller grinding and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. I bet once I clean that, it'll be brand new. Of course, you can see some of the powder on here too. Yeah. Looks like it's kind of held in there. Take that off. And yeah, the board's a little dirty. Let's clean it up. Yeah, all these little pads got powder all over it.